In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transcribe YouTube video with Loom 2026. Step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture a YouTube video with Loom, generate captions automatically, clean them up, and copy the final transcript into the document of your choice. Start by heading to YouTube and opening the video you want to transcribe. Let it load fully so playback is smooth, set the quality high enough for clear audio, and scrub to the exact starting point. If you don't own the content, make sure you're allowed to transcribe it for your use. Keep the tab ready to play and consider pausing at the first frame so you can start cleanly once Loom begins recording. Now open Loom. Create a new recording by choosing New Video. Select Screen Only so Loom captures just what's on your screen and pick Browser tab, then choose the tab with your YouTube video. If you see options for system audio, make sure it's enabled so the video sound is recorded clearly. You can turn your microphone off if you don't need voiceover. Before you begin, silence notifications to avoid pop-ups in the recording. Click Start Recording, switch to the YouTube tab, and press play. Let the video run without interruptions, keeping the tab in focus. Avoid scrubbing or switching windows, and keep the volume at a steady, moderate level for the best transcription accuracy. When the video finishes, click Stop. Loom will automatically upload and begin processing your recording. Give it a moment to finish. You'll see it appear in your Loom library with a shareable link once it's ready. Open your Loom video and turn on Captions. Click Captions or CC, then choose Generate Captions. If prompted, confirm the correct language for the video. Loom will process the audio and create a text transcript aligned to the video timeline. Next, review the transcript carefully, read through the captions and fix any typos, misheard words, brand names, or technical terms. Add missing punctuation where it helps readability, and correct any timing mismatches that make lines hard to follow. AI captions are powerful, but they can struggle with accents, fast speech, or background noise, so this quick pass makes a big difference. Finally, copy the transcript. Select the text from the captions panel and paste it into your preferred destination, like Google Docs, Notes, or a Word file. From there, you can format it, add headings, or insert speaker labels if needed. That's it. You opened the video, recorded it with Loom, generated captions, refined them, and copied the clean transcript. Follow these steps anytime you need a fast, reliable YouTube transcription using Loom.